In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage customer support tickets in Jira Service Management. If your team is still juggling customer issues through crowded inboxes or scattered chat messages, it becomes very easy for requests to get missed. A centralized support queue helps your team stay organized, improve response times, and clearly see who is handling what. In this walkthrough, we'll open the Jira Service Management workspace, create a support ticket, document it properly, set urgency and impact, manage queues, use AI to summarize long conversations, and finish with a quick quality check. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to your organization's Atlassian cloud site, or sign in through the Atlassian login page if needed. Once you're signed in and the main dashboard loads, open your Jira Service Management project or customer support workspace. This is your main hub for handling incoming requests and tracking progress. Inside the Service Desk project, look to the top navigation bar and click the Create button. This opens the issue creation window. In the issue type dropdown, choose Support or a similar option such as IT Help or Incident, depending on how your workspace is set up. This makes sure the request is created in the correct support category. Now it's time to document the issue clearly. In the summary field, enter a short, direct headline that explains the problem at a glance. Then move to the description area and organize the information in a useful way. Include the user symptoms, such as what the customer clicked and what error appeared. Add the impacted accounts or affected users, and then include the steps to reproduce the problem so the team can test it consistently. A clear description saves time and reduces back and forth later. Next, scroll to the fields for urgency and impact. Choose the level of urgency from low to critical and then select the impact level. Jira can use those values to apply the correct SLA timing, helping your team understand how quickly the issue needs attention and resolution. After that, open the queue section from the left sidebar. Here, you'll see views like all open tickets, waiting on support, or waiting on customer. When someone begins working on a ticket, open it and move the status from open to in progress. This keeps the queue accurate and gives everyone visibility into active work. If you open a long ticket with many comments, scroll down to the activity or comment section and click Summarize. This AI feature creates a quick overview of the conversation, making it much faster to catch up on what the customer needs and what has already been tried. Before you finish, do a final review of your support project. Make sure the ticket summary is clear, the status is correct, and the SLA timing is visible and accurate. With that, your support desk is organized, trackable, and much easier to manage. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.